access to our court for ventilating grievances of citizens within the framework of the Constitution is a constitutional right in itself. Anyone who accesses justice under Article 32 cannot be turned out on the ground that you are following this agenda or that agenda. On merits, which way any individual petition goes is for the court to separate the grain from the chaff. But I don't think, we have not, Mr. Shankaranarayan, we have not heard the government. We have not heard either. One second, Mr. Solicitor, 1 second. We'll put a lid on this now. Otherwise, this will go on endlessly. 1 second. We have not heard either the Attorney General of India, who is leading arguments for the Union of India, the Solicitor General, who has shouldered a large part of the burden, say that these petitions should be dismissed on the ground that they are separatist agenda. They have argued the matter on merits. It has been argued on constitutional terms. We have indicated that that's how we are going to resolve this issue. And I don't think that's been the main plank of either the solicitor, the attorney, or anybody else who follows.